Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money on Instagram Reels. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking for ways to make money on Instagram? If so, then you should definitely check out Instagram Reels. With Reels, you can reach a wider audience, make a lot of money, and even become famous. In this video, we'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to make money on Instagram Reels. First, we'll talk about the benefits of making money on Instagram Reels. You can reach a wider audience, make a lot of money and even become famous. Next, we'll move on to the step-by-step guide on how to make money on Instagram Reels. First step is to create relevant, engaging content. This means creating videos that are interesting and informative, and that will appeal to your target audience. It's also important to ensure that your videos are well produced and edited, as this will make them more likely to be watched and shared. Once you have created some great content, it's time to start using Instagram Reels to promote your products or services. This can be done by adding links to your website or online store in the description of each video, as well as tagging any relevant products or brands in the video itself. You can also use hashtags to reach a wider audience, and run ads on Instagram Reels if you want to reach even more people with your videos. Finally, we'll discuss collaborating with other influencers. Another great way to make money on Instagram Reels is to collaborate with other influencers. This can be done by creating joint videos, sharing each other's content, or even just mentioning each other in your videos. Reaching a new audience is a great way to get more people interested in what you're doing. That's it. A step-by-step guide on how to make money on Instagram Reels. Remember, the key to success is to create relevant, engaging content, promote your products or services, and collaborate with other influencers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com, for more information on how to make money online.